okay. She can open it however she wants.
She needs some help. Leah can help.
Leah can help you. Here, Leah can help her rip it a little bit. Nice.
There you go. That's how you do it.
Board puddle? Good huddle. I've just seen them around. Leah loves to play it with hers. Yeah. Give it to her so she can see it.
She's got to finish opening it.
I can open it myself.
What is it, Quincy?
That's your present. That's your birthday present. Leah's helping you open it. What is it? It's a hide and seek board.
Take the plastic off. Do you need help? Yeah, let me see.
I want to do it with Geneva.
You sure how it works?
Yeah.
Okay. Geneva, can you say thank you? Thank you.
I said okay.
There you go.
Ooh, cool. Show Geneva how it works.
See, open the
Oh, there's a cow in the barn.
in the barn.
Moo, that's right.
Cow goes in the cookie.
The cow goes in the cookie.
Cookie jar, cookie jar.
Okay.
You want to open your other present, Geneva?
This is a Minnie Mouse.
It does look like a Minnie Mouse. You want to open the other present? Open. Can you give her the other present, Leah? Let her open it. Okay.
Let Geneva start her present for me. Oh.
Need help? Give it to Geneva.
Yeah, it's okay. There you go.
There you go. Keep ripping it.
I will open it too.
There you go.
Got it. Give it back to her. Can you give it back to her, Leah? Give it back to her so she can finish. Turn it over.
I want to show.
One way to do it.
Oh!
What is it? Turn it over. Let's see. It's a book. Giraffes can't dance.
I
You like that book?
Geneva.
And we just happened to pick the giraffe PJs last night.
I know.
Perfect.
All coordinated. Geneva, can you say thank you?
I want a snack.
Say happy birthday, Geneva.